Alright, lucky it's a sunny day and we are going to install this beautiful device into my Honda Fit. If you follow my channel, you see I have a review for my new car from last year. Let's take this off, of course. And I have decided, so this is the plastic. You can see this. This is the let's see if I can shut off the external sound a little bit. Let's see if you can zoom. Yeah, you can see it, but it's a protector. This is called the ground protector. That's what it says. My intention is to install it right below my mirror, so the more center the better. So my wire will go up and then to the side and go all the way to the bottom. Let's put this on the bottom. So it's quite simple. Just take this off and then put it in. So all I have to do is like peel that off. Hopefully I don't get too excited. Okay, and then just stick it right below that surface. Yes. Yes. Oh my god, there's a lot of bubbles. Just like the cameras. Just like the cell phones. So it's pretty clear that it is hard to tell. Lucky they have this, so I can use that. Let's take away all the bubbles. Boom, right there. You can see it, right? It's just right below it. So I'm gonna install it right here, right? So therefore I can see it. Yep, right below that, so it's not much of a distraction. They have a circular area, but you don't really have to be exact. As long as on the plate is fine. So my idea is I will install it there. So let's peel that off. Let's take this off first. Let's install that alone. Okay, so it is on, and all you have to do is just put this on and move it to the left. It'll click right onto the screen. So right now it should stick really well. It feels like it sticks really well, so we'll see about a year or maybe a month to see if it falls down, because most of my attachment to the glass will normally fall down. Now it looks simple. So I'm gonna put the wire into I'll give it the power right there. Okay, there you go. Just pop right in. Now it has power. This thing can move, so it's pretty good. So I will get this wire up and up here. I will give it a little bit wiggle room in case I want to pull this off, so it won't be too tight. I wouldn't put it too tight, so let's say I give it that much, a little bit dangling. So hopefully I have enough room, long enough, because I have measured it roughly and it works. So let's put it on. Interesting. I've never done this or installed anything into the car, literally into the car. So it goes in. Ooh, nice. Actually goes in. Pretty cool. Okay. So this helps to hook the wire in. So it comes with the screen. It comes with the camera. It hooks right in. And let's get to work. This is an interesting part. Seems to go in easily on certain parts. Now you can see it's actually gonna go through, let's look at this. The wire is gonna go along and down the mirror. See that? And then I'm gonna pull it all the way down to under the door. me a while, but finally got it done. So I'll show you what it's gonna look like, okay? Wire installation has been completed. I gave it a little bit extension, so there's a movement there. That means I can unplug this and take it away. Maybe I go on vacation or something. I don't want to leave it in my car. So I hope it has the function that actually protect my car even if I'm away, then I'll leave it there forever. So let's look at the wire, okay? See if you can see it. It goes up, it goes along here, and it'll go above through the wall inside, and I'll put it into this area. You can't really see the wire. If you look closely, you can be able to see a little bit of it, but we can always use this thing to push it in, because now that it is completed, they can go in further. You can actually poke it and go in further. There you go. Now it's really inside. No one can even tell where the wire is. There you go. So it's inside this thing, and then I go to behind this. It goes behind this. I hope you can see from pretty bad lighting. Sorry. Behind this thing, the plastic wrap, and then I go along all the way down. Let's open the door. It might give you better lighting. So once you open the door, then you can see it actually go from here all the way inside. It wraps back up. See, you see this? When you peel this out, yes, you see this? That's where the wire goes into. So it goes in here all the way down below, and then with that I'll curve it under the rack. You can see the wire sticking out. I'll find a way to put it under, but until then I'm too excited to test it out. So I'll go all the way here on my Honda. Sorry about the mess. Let's throw this away. I don't need this anymore. So I'll go under here, and I still have quite, I'll say 1.5 feet, 1 to 2 feet left of wire. So depending on how big your car is, I think it will fit most of the car. Can't be commenting for everyone. Now this is in. Oh, I love it. There you go. I can leave that in forever because I don't use that. I don't smoke. I don't do anything with that at this moment because I have USB, HDMI, or another USB on the other side. So now let's look at the machine. So it said thank you for selecting Mika. Okay, it said give me some time to control this. Test it out live. So I press next. So there are 4 buttons on the bottom. As you can see, there's white dots down here. There are 4 of them on the bottom. So let's click next. Okay, so it said the power is so press once, it will turn on. It means if you hold it for 3 seconds, it will turn off. So if you hold it, even if you press it slightly, it still it will light up the see, it'll light it up. So it's not shut down yet. So if you hold it for 3 seconds, it will shut down. That's what it means. So right now, once the power button on the top left, if you watch my unbox video, you will see that. That is turning on or off the screen. So let's turn that. Okay, so okay. So there's not touch screen. So 只是燈正常轉. So the light on, there's a light on the left side. What it means is if it's white, that means it's function normal. And oh nice, this is very useful too. So if it is red, that means it's saving or loading. So next. Okay, so let's see if you can see the bottom plus minus next, and let's set up the date. Oh, I keep pressing, it's not touch screen. So is this the month? Yeah, July, year, date, month, 15th. It's right in the middle. 15 and the time is 7:12. Ooh, I like it. 24 hours time. So I'll do 13 at 1 minute on it and done. Congratulations, you already done complete installation. Okay, so it said your SD card need to be formatted. That's normal. I completely understand. All of them are. Wi-Fi is on. 1 minute. So shut down display is 1 minute. I'll see if we have English. Let's at first look for language. Let's look at let's format it first. So let's format it. Oh, I hope we'll have English, so that'll be way better. All right, format complete. Woo! See, we're in. Nice. Once I formatted the SD card, so good luck if you don't have one. I think it needs to have one. It's a necessity. Oh, I hope you don't see the plate number. I don't think you do. It's recording right now. It's actually recording. Cool. It's the record button is actually say rec. So it's recording the front area. Let's go back to menu. Right. Setting. Time. Update. So about Wi-Fi, time, sensitive touch, SD card. Okay. Oh, factory set. Oh no, there is no English language. I don't like that. So screen shutdown 1 minute. Let's see, I'll change to 30 seconds is the shortest. Hopefully that helps. No way, there is no English. I don't even like reading Chinese, but fortunately I understand what it is. This is not cool. So let's see. So this is emergency view. Oh, okay. So emergency view is on the left. In case you want this this device and it only has English and you're okay with it, that's fine. You can use this video as an instruction manual, because it's the options pretty plain and simple and not much you can do with it, right? So basically you just record it, the video, and then just help you out when you have an accident or whatnot. Hopefully no. So let's touch this, screen will come on. Emergency, let's start with emergency viewing. When I goes in, it means I will look at the camera. So if I look at the file or the video, it said it will stop the recording. So I said, okay, stop recording, I want to see what's in there. So there's nothing recorded yet, so no emergency recording, right? So that means they'll override, continuously overriding it. Yeah, only 3 options. So this is the normal view. The normal view is like, this is where we are. It just recorded what happened. So nothing much to see. And then this is the setting. The setting, let's explain from the top, okay? So from the top, we have Wi-Fi hotspot. Don't know why. Probably to connect to your phone. There's an app for it. So you can just directly take the video to your phone without using data or bring it to your computer. That's what I love. This is screen saver is 30 seconds. The next one is, so it said sensitivity of vibration. So people will touch your car. Right now it's low, so let's go in. So you can turn it off, turn it low or high. So let's do high right now because we're doing testing. This is the SD card. Mine's 32G SD card. They split it into emergency recording is 5.4 gig. Surrounding surrounding recording is 19.6 gig. Touching the button, it actually turn it back on too. That's what it says. Basically tell you what the SD card is. Of course, if you on the bottom right, if you press again, it will be formatting the drive. So I'm not doing that because I already did. One more time is the timing, the time of the machine, which I will not change that. I already updated it. So this is an update. Okay, so you need to put something in the SD card to be able to upgrade it. So this is a system upgrade. Next is reset to factory. So, and then the last one is about. We all know what it's about. It's gonna tell you blah blah blah, version 1.0.8. The release date is March 18, and we are now back to this. So this is the main screen recording at all the time, and let's see, right one is menu. We just went there, and this is the flag. Oh, okay, cool, interesting. Let's go. Can we stop? Can we stop? Okay, we cannot stop. So the flag is always mean emergency recording. So I'll press that emergency recording, then probably it put it into the emergency folder aside from the normal viewing, and there is a time. See, I don't really sure why it's separated. Probably to make it easier for you to put it on a different folder. And this is the okay. So Wi-Fi. I just turned off the Wi-Fi. Let's turn back on. I'll leave my Wi-Fi on because I'm gonna connect to my phone. Give me the password. 正在關閉聲音. So it's turning off the sound. You can turn the sound on. So that's all. No other thing. So it's quite plain and simple. So I just connected to my phone with the Mi app that I use a lot of Xiaomi product. I use the same app. If you want to ask me in the comment, I'll show you what app it's called. So it's actually downloading. I don't know what it's downloading, but once I connect to the Wi-Fi, it's actually downloading. Make sure you can access outer network. Don't turn off blah blah blah. So it said cannot download plugins because my phone is broken and I'm using my backup Xiaomi Redmi 4X and it's not working really well. So the screen is off after 30 seconds, like I said, but it still continue to record what is happening outside. And it is, let's turn on the car right now. Once the car turns on, and this baby turns on. And 3, 2, 1, start recording. Woo! Yes, that's what I want. $65 Canadian or $50 US dollar. You will have this for sure. It's great, actually. It's actually beautiful. You can have that. Nice. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.